Heavy rainfall caught on camera in St. Louis. This week we had heavy rain happen in our area. This rain included gust winds and hail. Me and my sister completely enjoyed watching this. We were a bit scared too when we had thunder in between. Watch these hails. These are approximately a dime size. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.